Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if GCC on your iPhone, in your Instagram app, try again later. So how you can fix this problem. So first thing you need to know is that actually you see this error because you just make a lot of action, the same action at one time. So sometimes it's just temporary block from Instagram. So after some time Instagram will automatically unblock your account and you will be able for using it again. But also you need to know that you couldn't do too many same actions at one time. So after, I hope your Instagram will unblock your account, and it depends on situation for how much time your account will be inactive. So sometimes it's a few hours, sometimes few days, it depends on situation. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and bye.